How to split screen in CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a split screen effect in CapCut. This is a great way to show two videos at once or add a creative touch to your edits. So let's jump right into it. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Add the videos you want to use for your split screen by tapping Add. Once your clips are on the timeline, we are ready to set up the effect. To create a split screen, drag a second video clip to the overlay track. This adds it on the top of your first video. Now, resize and position both clips. Tap each video, then drag or pinch to adjust their size and place them side by side, on top of each other or however you like. For faster setup, CapCut also has split screen templates. Tap on an overlay clip, scroll to the split screen and choose from presets like side by side or top and bottom. To refine your split screen, adjust the borders, opacity or add effects to each clip individually. This helps your video look polished and professional. Once you're happy with that split screen, hit the play button to review. If everything looks good, tap export to save your video. And that's it. Creating a split screen in CapCut is super easy and adds a creative touch to your videos. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.